crescent moon before any other region. So if one of the years America sees the moon before Saudi and Japan, the second year would might be possible that the Japan sees before each other the other two, and the third year maybe the Saudi sees the moon before the other three. It cannot be a monogamy. Sorry, it cannot be a mono thing. Mono mono thing that no, only only the Saudi has a greater chance to see the moon before any other region. No, it is wrong. Scientifically, it is wrong. Although they may not, they may be following a. It might be possible they are having a grand telescope which could see deep into the horizons and see the moon, while the other countries which are either backward or even if they are not backward, they are not using the advanced instrument to see the moon. So apart from that, I don't see any other reason why the Saudi is celebrating should be celebrating the Eid before any other region. Because for me, as per the scientific, not for me, but for any other scientist, it's equally probable. And I tell you the phenomena why is it that some regions lag behind the others in watching the crescent moon. So let's say we have this India. This is Japan. This is Japan. Then this is India. Then this is Saudi Arabia, and this is America. Okay. Now let's say when the Japan comes, that is, this is the observer. Okay. Okay. So let's say this is the observer, and when the sun is setting for this observer, that is here. Okay. The moon is setting around, let's say, moon is around 6 degrees for the Japan. This is the moon and this is the sun. So this is the setting sun and the moon is 6 degrees above it. It's very small. The moon will be small because 6 degrees is very less, and it will also set very early. Okay. So by the time from Japan to India it goes, let's say it goes around, if we say the longitude wise how much will it be? See, from Japan to the America, it will be around 300 degrees, right? So assume it to be equally separate, all regions, 100, 100, 100, okay? So from Japan to India, the Earth travels 100 degrees. This longitude difference between the I and the J is nothing but the angle traveled by the Earth. The angle traveled by the Earth while coming from this region to this region. So that means when the Earth comes to the I region, 100 degrees. By in that 100 degrees, and you know what? In 360 degree rotation of the Earth, we know that the moon travels 12 degrees separate from the sun, right? We saw that. So the 100 degree would be around how much? 100. 1/3, right? Around 4 degrees, right? 1 upon 36, yeah, 1 upon 12.36, around 3.3 degrees. Okay, so it will be 9 degrees, right? So it will be 9 degrees for the eye, and now similarly it will be 12 degrees for the sun. Sorry, for the Saudi Arabia. So that means Saudi Arabia, when it reaches to the Saudi Arabia, the moon and the sun are 12 degrees separate. 12 degree means around double the duration which it had, that is 6 degree. So it will slightly bigger. 12 degree means when the phase angle increases, the moon size increases, as well as the duration of the moon set also increases. So sun is setting at some time, the moon will set slightly more late. So 12 degrees, suppose it's not sufficient for the moon to be visible, so it goes to the here again. How much it is? 15 degrees, right? 15 degrees, right? Okay. And now then similarly 300 डिग्री हो गया, 60 डिग्री और चला वहाँ पे कहीं पे, ठीक है, 15 का 17 डिग्री हो गया, 17 डिग्री यहाँ पे आ गया दोबारा, दैट इज वो 60 डिग्री करने के बाद यहाँ पे आ गया 17 डिग्री हो गया। और 17 डिग्री में अब जैसे मैंने हाइपोथेटिकल फिगर बताया था आपको, 18 डिग्री पे होता है 0%, कभी भी 0% है, 17 के बाद में 3 जोड़ा 20 डिग्री हो गया। 20 डिग्री मतलब थोड़ा बहुत प्रोबेबल हुआ। 20 के बाद में आ गया आपका 23 डिग्री, 40% प्रोबेबल हो गया। 40% में दिख भी सकता है, नहीं भी दिख सकता, ठीक है। अब उसके बाद में कितना हो गया, 26 डिग्री हो गया। अब 70% प्रोबेबल हो गया। तो अमेरिका हैज़ अ वेरी ब्राइट चांस टू सी द क्रिसेंट मून, राइट, एंड दैट इज द रीजन। So let's say America sees the moon, so that way America is the topper here. Now when it comes to the J, it is already 26 degrees, and 26 degrees hypothetically it is close to 100%. So the way is, once a particular region starts seeing the moon, any region east of that, any region west of that, will should definitely see the moon, unless it's for any external regions, like reasons, either the climate or something like that. And I tell you what, latitude can also play a significant role in this. I tell you how. So this is the excellent thing which I am discussing right now, the latitude role of the latitude also. Longitude has already played its role, you already well seen, and longitude actually gives the increases the probability of watching the moon as the earth rotates unless and the time passes by that way. Now coming to the latitude thing. Now let's say this is the earth. Now, I would not consider this situation, because this is not a situation which we face right now. I would consider the situation which the earth was in while we were celebrating the Eid. Okay, so it was around, I think it was in October. So that means the moon, this is the sun, this is the, and moon is also here, right? So moon has to be there near the sun, then only we can see the Eid ul Fitr Chand. Okay, so this is the tilt of the earth. So in North America we had this duration and this duration, right? And let's say consider Brazil. Brazil has this duration and this. So I'm considered two extreme locations, so that you can extend the generalization, this generalized principle to every nook and corner of the earth. So let's say this is around 6-7 hours, not 7 hours, rather 9 hours. Let's say 9 and 15 9 24. Okay, 9 घंटे का दिन है या 15 घंटे का दिन, तो यहाँ उल्टा होगा, यहाँ 15 घंटे का दिन है या 9 घंटे का रात है, राइट? Okay, now here the sun is setting at what time? 9 hours का है ना, तो 5 बजे हो रहा है, 5 PM पे हो रहा है, ठीक है। तो जाहिर सी बात है 5 PM के बाद सनसेट हो रहा है, तो मून भी कोरस्पॉन्डिंगली जैसे मान लिया 12, मान लिया, आई गिव यू सिचुएशन लाइक 16 डिग्री अपार्ट है, सपोज 16 डिग्री अपार्ट है क्या, moon and the sun at particular day when the sun is setting there, right? It's 16 degree apart. Okay, 16 degree apart when the sun is set, when the moon is about to set. तो मून सेट होने वाला है, हमने टेलीस्कोप लगा के देख रहे हैं, टेलीस्कोप लगा के देखा और मून सेट हो रहा है, और at that point of time the phase angle SEM is 16 degrees. Okay, and let's say this is not 5 PM, this is 7 PM, because definitely 16 डिग्री का मतलब क्या हुआ, 16 डिग्री का मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर सनसेट 5 PM पे होगा